up, New Season family? Today we are here with a vlog. We are going to Memphis. We are going to Ikea. You see that back there? I know every time we make a video, y'all be like, dang, where they cheers at? Well, we went off in our car and we can only get a table in there. And fun fact, the table is square, so once the table got in there, it was hard to get it out. Look at him. It was hard to get it out, so we were unable to get the chairs in there. So today we are going with my parents to get the chairs so we can complete our table. He doing, what's that thing, the backpack boy. Go faster. So we are vlogging our whole adventure. So fresh and so clean.
How you guys doing today?
Okay, see you guys when we get there. Peace out. Season family, so we have made it to Ikea. Whoop, whoop. We're in here to get these chairs. Oh, look at that. I guess it's a train track or whatever. Yes, cooking for NewseasonJ&K. We'll be in the kitchen. We gotta find them. We gotta get back here to the flatbeds back here.
Made it back home. As you can see, I am all by myself. Jada left me, went to her mom's house, so I'm all alone. And we found the chairs, and I'm finna set these bad boys up and let's just see how long it's gonna take. Cause really, man, it's like a whole bunch of pieces and stuff, and I gotta do 4 of them. So we're gonna see how this go. I'm gonna let you guys see the chairs when they up. Oh yeah, I had to put on my spectacles to read a little bit. But hey, I did get my hair retwisted too. Shout out to my auntie. She knows she is. Hooked the boy up. Look at yeah, that shake. But hey, we see you when Jada get home. Peace out. Dog, Jada still ain't come home. It's like 6 o'clock at night. I done set up the chairs and everything. It took me a little second, but looks smooth. But I'm still waiting on her. I've been playing Red Dead Redemption 2, Spider-Man, 2K. I've been bored. I've been abandoned. She don't love me no more. She don't love me no more. I try everything I can, but tomorrow. But she gone. She broke up with me. She left me. No. Anyways, guys.
Welcome back, y'all. So, long day. It is dark now. I am just now getting back from my mother's house, and I went by my best friend's house so she could do my wig. You see my best friend in my hand? Shout out to her. She knows who she is. This light is terrible. So I'm just not getting home. I'm gonna walk in the door, and I bet Kenneth is probably sitting on the couch or playing his game or eating something. Let me see. Look at that view, though. Look at that view. All of the trees are out of the way. That'd be dope. Okay, I'm gonna get my life together. Moment of truth. On the couch. Honey, I'm home. What I tell y'all? On the couch. On the couch. On the couch. Really, baby? What have you done today? What you do? You have somebody come over here and help you do that? Oh, our table is complete. I'm so happy our table is complete. Oh, we're a family now. You see that? It says family. It's backwards, but it says family. I missed you.
I miss you too. Oh,
I look ratchet, but I missed you.
I look ratchet too.
Cute. Give me some pizza.
No, see, I can't eat my pizza in peace. I can't do nothing. You see, I just want to eat.
Oh, it sounds
my
hard.
food.
I left you at home when you had to fend for yourself. Baby, can I have some?
No. Hey, you got a good one.
There's nothing on there. Okay, let me get a little piece. Let me get some of this water. Can I open it? Let me get that. Oh!
She finally made it home. And we're finna go to bed.
I got my new wig, y'all.
Yeah, so I can't even talk about returning in. But appreciate you guys. Leave a like, subscribe.
Give this video a thumbs up.
Most definitely. And if you guys like the vlogs, let us know. We'll continue doing it.
Or if you like the pranks more, let us know.
Soon.
Oh, I don't want to see your nose.
Anyway, guys, this new season J&K. Love you guys. See you in the next vlog or the next video.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe.
All right,
Good night.
Good night, guys.